Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to take you along on my school morning routine. This is on a day that I don't have super early class because I don't really have a routine on those days. It's more trying to get myself out of the door in time. This is a morning where I have class a little bit later in the day. So let's just get to it. This set is from Pansy for anyone who's gonna ask in the comments. But I always wake up and throw on the biggest t-shirt that I can find. Across the ocean, I've sailed the last year, fighting my way around. I've hardly stepped. So it looks like someone already made coffee, so we are in luck this morning. Really, guys, look at this plate. It is literally the most beautiful thing I have ever seen in my life. You just want to eat off that. It's like a file, but even though it took some time, now that I know it feels sublime. So that might feel like a lot of work, but it's really not. It took me 5 minutes to make. While you're heating up the beans, if you just start heating up the corn tortillas, basically once they're all done, it's so easy. You just compile everything together. So it actually takes me about 5 minutes to make. And it's a super hearty, filling breakfast / lunch to have before classes, because I like something that's a little more savory than sweet if I know I'm gonna be gone the whole day. So I always start with the Perfecting Skin Tint in medium, and then I always mix it in with the Flex Concealer because I feel like it gives me more coverage, and especially when I'm at school for a long time, I just want to make sure that my skin stays and it looks nice. Alright, what to wear? I just got this blazer, so I'm thinking that this will be good. So we'll kind of base something around that. Always going for a pair of jeans. These. For the finishing touch, I always add earrings. It just makes me feel like I actually tried a little bit in the morning. So this is my finished outfit. It's just super chill, super easy, so comfortable. I usually always wear sneakers because it just makes life easier. And that's pretty much my morning routine. I'm gonna grab my water bottle and my keys and my phone and head out the door so I am not late for class.